The feature-loaded dual-use chair range meant to address the seating comfort needs of conference rooms as well as workstations. The entire chair range is a delight through its elegant profile lines and premium leatherette finishes. The chair has contoured surfaces, maximizing body contact area and therefore maximizing comfort. Wide upper back and contoured seat ensure a comfortable seating experience all through the day. The waterfall seat edge reduces pressure behind the knees, thereby encouraging blood circulation. Diverse user-friendly adjustments to suit different tasks and varied body types. The seat height can be adjusted upwards or downwards to suit your requirement. Back height adjustment has a drop lift type function that enables the user to easily adjust height intuitively while sitting without using any lever. Moreover, the trapezoidal back enables easy grip for back height adjustment. The optional seat depth adjustment helps fit different body types. The chrome-plated armrests are height adjustable. The armrests have soft arm tops that provide comfort to your arms in every seating position. The knee-tilt synchronous mechanism set closer to the knee ensures that your feet remain on the ground even while reclining. Since no pressure is exerted on the back of the leg, fatigue is eliminated. There are 4 possible locking positions of the back to suit different types of tasks like desk work, business interaction, thinking and reading. The pedestal, made from high-pressure die-cast aluminium, provides robustness and stability to the chair and also complements the overall premium look of the chair. Also available in a fabric upholstered version. Tested as per BIFMA 5.1 standards. High on comfort, high on feature. You can't beat it.